We make razors for millions of guys around the world. And we know one size doesn't fit all. We wanted to do something new, unique, and personal, enabling people to create and personalize their own razors. The moment we realized that, Razor Maker was born.
Razor Maker is super exciting because we're giving thousands of people the chance to create a razor that's truly their own, that's unique to them, to open up an entirely whole new world of possible razor designs, and then is shipped directly to their door.
Creating something truly different means working with great people and pioneering technology. We're just starting, but it's a fun ride working with our Boston neighbors at Formlabs, who are at the cutting edge of 3D printing.
Our vision was always to make 3D printers as accessible as possible in order to bring the technology to as many people as possible. We see the potential of a new phase in 3D printing where more and more of these 3D printed parts will be used in end part production, specifically in mass customization.
In a traditional sense, we were only allowed to do 1 or 2 razor designs a year. Now we can really have an idea, create it in 3D, print it, look at it, adjust it, and say that's it.
Razor handle designs were inspired by nature, architecture, and technology. Every razor has to be something that connects emotionally the product itself with the person.
My brother's into climbing, and I was looking through some of his photos, and I was just blown away by the structure and the textures in the rock. It inspired me. I sat down, did a quick sketch design. The next day, we turned it into a razor handle.
For the team, it's very interesting to work on 3D printing material development. We now do offer resins that can be used by regular consumers. People can enjoy 3D printing that's their own design and use it every day.
Making these unique designs requires us to rethink the entire manufacturing strategy. We're literally breaking the mold.
3D printing allows every single manufacturing batch to be completely different. 3D printing allows you to both move at the scale of a manufacturing operation, at the same time have the flexibility to make unique parts.
Razor Maker allows us to think about form in a way that was never possible before. As designers, being able to be creative is very powerful.
This isn't just about a cool new product. We're changing our mindset, the way we work, and most importantly, we're embracing the idea of making unique products for people who love them.
The possibilities from here seem pretty endless, but to be honest, this is just the first step. That's what makes it so exciting.